Managing money can feel confusing. Where should you spend? How much should you save? And what about investments? But don't worry, I will teach you a simple budgeting method. It's called the 50-30-20 rule. It can help you take full control of your finances, whether you are a student or a working professional or someone who wants to save better. So what is this 50-30-20 rule? Come, let's see. It's a simple way to split your income so you can cover your needs, enjoy your life, and save for the future. Here's how it works. Every month, divide your income like this. 50% for needs, 30% for the wants, and 20% for savings and investments. This system makes sure you are never overspending and always saving without feeling restricted. Now let's break it down step by step. Calculate your monthly income. Let's say you earn a 50,000 per month after taxes. This is the amount we will budget. Now step 2. Allocate 50% to needs. So 50% of 50,000 is 25,000. This should cover essential expenses like rent, groceries, bills, EMIs, etc. Then allocate 30% to your wants. 30% of 50,000 is 15,000 for fun, lifestyle expenses like eating outside, Swiggy, Zomato, subscriptions, entertainment, shopping, and hobbies. Then comes the important part. Allocate 20% to savings and investments. 20% of 50,000 is 10,000 for savings and investments. So emergency fund, mutual funds, stocks, fixed deposit, all this comes under your savings and investments. This way you are spending wisely and building wealth. So why does this 50-30-20 rule work? Here's the reason. This method is so effective because it ensures you always save money rather than finishing all the money. Next, you don't have to track every single rupee because you have already allocated how much to spend. Then also you can enjoy life without guilt or worry because you have already planned it. It also helps you to avoid living paycheck to paycheck. Now you have some backup of savings. Even billionaires like Warren Buffett budget their money, so why shouldn't we? So is this rule flexible? Yes, it is flexible. You can adjust based on your lifestyle. Let's say your income is low. If you earn less, then try a 60-20-20 rule, spending 60% for the needs and then 20% on wants and 20% on savings. If not, your expenses are high, then consider cutting the wants from 30% to 20% and increase the savings to 30% for faster financial growth. So this rule is not fixed. Adjust it to match your lifestyle while keeping the basic structure. So everyone makes rule, but to follow it is the most difficult part. So this is the bonus tip for you. So the easiest way to follow this rule is to automate your budget. Set up automatic transfers like 50% of your salary to one of the main accounts, then 30% to one of the secondary account or a fun account, entertainment account. Then move the rest 20% to your investment accounts, let's say SIP, mutual fund, Demat account. So this way you don't even have to think about budgeting. It happens automatically. So that's a quick rule of 50, 30 and 20 which can help you out in your budgeting. So anyways, which budgeting method do you follow? Do let me know in comments whether you do budget, if you don't do budget. Also, if you found this video useful, hit that like button and also subscribe to this particular channel, and also share this video to all your friends who need a financial help.